Hey guys, your girl Tahita here with Beauty and the Kinks. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a very quick video because I said I was going to come up here and give you guys a more in-depth review about this brush I got from Shaded501. It is a massaging cleansing facial brush and it is amazing, guys. Like, when I say amazing, it's amazing. It leaves my skin feeling so smooth. I've definitely noticed a difference in my skin since I've used it consistently. I've had it for about a month and I've been using it consistently for about maybe 3.5 weeks. And it's amazing. It definitely leaves my skin feeling smoother. I have less pimples, less breakouts, and the appearance of my pores have definitely decreased. And that is amazing to me because it's the summertime and that's when I sweat a lot. My pores are usually up and out in everybody's face to see. So for this to facilitate with a deep cleansing of my skin, it definitely has helped with the appearance of my pores. And like I said, my skin just feels clean, it feels smooth. So I am definitely giving this 2 thumbs up and highly recommend that you go cop yours at shaded501.com. Like I mentioned before, I do have a discount code with Shaded501. If you use the code SQUAD, you can get 10% off, so definitely check them out. Shaded501 started off as a sunglasses store, but they have transitioned into this like accessories, skincare. They even have lashes on there. They have hair removal products, you know, some items for your hair. They are definitely kind of becoming a one-stop shop for women who want to buy different things for themselves and treat themselves to different things. So definitely head over to Shaded501. Also follow them on Instagram. They recently launched their Instagram and we will be doing a giveaway together, and that's one of the steps. So I'm giving y'all the tea. I'm giving y'all the tea ahead of time. So definitely go follow them so that you're aware of when we do this giveaway and what we'll be giving away. One of these brushes is going to be in the giveaway, just saying. Some more tea for you. Definitely make sure you're following them. If you're not following me, also follow me and if you're not following me on Instagram, definitely go ahead and follow me at Beauty and the Kinks. I will have that listed down below, as well as my Snapchat and my website. Definitely subscribe to my channel because I will have an entire video telling you what the giveaway is all about, how to win, what's in it, and all that good stuff. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys. I am ripping and raving about this. The link will be down in the description box. As a reminder, you can use the discount code SQUAD so that you can get 10% off. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Make sure you're following Shaded501. If you can't wait till the giveaway, go ahead and go to shaded501.com to get your own. I believe it runs for about $15. So it's definitely affordable and worth every penny. Trust me, okay? Yeah, so that was pretty much it, guys. As always, thank you for your love and support. Until next video. Bye, guys.